Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to know about the apps. So take out your book, open chapter number 7, that is app basic with the app inventor. So look into your book. When the computer were invented, they were used by the technical experts such as the engineer, scientist and the programmer because the programs were used to be too technical in language and designed for a common public. That time when computer was invented, it was very difficult to use by the common people. So it was only able to use by the engineers, scientists or the programmers, those who were knowing to use the computer. So as technology advanced, further the standalone computers came into the existence for the common masses. When networking means that time the concept of the networking was not there. When the networking concept came through the internet, the network world over product and services were available on the website. So because of the networking, when networking was available, then the people were able to use the apps. They were able to use the tablets and mobiles and all. So that nowadays, today's era, you can use that mobile apps. Like during previous time, it was not able to use this networking area wherever you go and you take. Nowadays, you take your mobile and whatever you want to use, whatever apps you want to use, whatever the facility you want, that you can, means that apps and that facilities you can keep in your pocket right nowadays. But earlier what it was, it cannot be used by the common people, and secondly, it was not able to take everywhere, to use everywhere, because at a particular place only it was able to use it. We just unlock our phones, open the banking app and log in securely to perform money transactions. Nowadays, like we open transactions, we can make from the phone also. है ना? We can use the mobile app. We don't go for the transactions to bank. Now mobile banking is there. है ना? So we can use that. We can transaction with the security. And many apps are there like e-commerce. Whatever you want to purchase, whatever you want to sell and purchase, that also it is available on the app. See, in your book it is given the example of the grocery. Like if you want to purchase a grocery also, then also you need to do a online payment. So that online courses that upgrade ourselves through devices, apps are suited to be used on a small touch screen. Means nowadays on a small touch screen we can gain these facilities, we can be able to carry on, and these facilities we can use very easily. More examples I would like to add here, like for the entertainment you use the different apps, right? For the purchasing, for the e-commerce you use the different apps, like for the gaming you use a different app, but you are using the apps, but these facilities are the different. An app runs under the control of mobile operating systems such as Android and iOS, etc. Means these apps are under the control of your operating system of the mobile. The operating system of the mobile that controls the app, how it works, and it is Android or it is iOS, etc. It works on that. So apps are mostly free to download, but user may have to pay for the services availed by the service provider of the app. Means apps are free to the download, but they have to pay the services. Okay, regarding the app services. Now we will talk about the age of mobile apps. Today we have the smartphones and tablets which help us carry out world with us and remain online 24/7. Right? So we use mobile internet for the several reasons like communication, entertainment, training, tour and travel, like job search, banking, shopping, booking flights, cabs and hotels. The list is too long to accommodate here. So beta, why we use the internet? For the communications, right? For the entertainment, for the travel, yeah, for the banking, for the shopping, right? For means any reason which we wants to have a use of it, like we are booking the cabs, we are booking the flights. So these many transactions are there that we carried by some app. Without app it is not possible. Like if you are booking a flight, then you need to have a app, right? So same as if you want to purchase something, so you need to have apps like Flipkart, Myntra, Meesho, many are there. So for the entertainment also, like entertainment, whatever you want to play, if you want to play a game, then you have many apps. Other categories apps are there for the games. So same, there are the many apps that we use for a certain reasons. A mobile app is a piece of software specifically designed to be installed on the handheld device such as the smartphones and the tablets to provide the desired services. Whatever the desired services are there that provides by the app that controlled by the software system. So app runs under the control of mobile operating system. As I have said right now that every app have a control under the operating system of your Android and iOS. So I hope now you have understood about the apps and the use of the apps. So the next topic, the main features of the mobile apps. Whatever mobiles apps you are using, any app you are using, that every app is having the different features. So apps are easily to download and install on the device. Exactly. Any app you can easily download and install in your device. So here are the many reasons. It is given on the page number 84. Like apps are mostly free and very lightweighted. As I said, on memory and the processor, like software easily runs and lesser memory and CPU power. Apps are generally not bound with the license restrictions or as software, and apps is an interface between the online services provided by the business and the customer. For example, if you have a bank account, right, then major services of your customer and accounts can be accessed through the mobile apps made by the freely available by the bank. Like if you are using the mobile networking, so it is very easy and freely to use. It is not a trouble to go for bank and stay there and line up for the services. So it is easily you can use by the mobile app. And even the apps are the great way for the businesses to reach their customers. Like any business, we can easily reach to our customers and develop a bigger customer base with a lesser expense of the time and money. You can consume your time, you can consume your money when you are going to meet your customer for regarding any information. So if you will go, right, if you will have a convince, then money is required to go there, time is required. So while using the app, you can save your money, you can save your time. So that, and even you can instantly, whenever you need, you can connect with the customer. So that makes a strong bond with the businesses and with the customer. So beta, these all features you read and go through all the topics. About today, I have only given the introduction of the chapter, and tomorrow I will give you the explanation about the types of mobile apps. So till here you have to prepare the notes in your copy, revise the topics. Thank you, class.